Today we're crossing Russia to visit 10 places so unreal they look like another planet. From the world's deepest lake to erupting volcanoes and fairy tale buildings, this is the wildest adventure I've ever planned. Buckle up, let's dive into Russia's most mind-blowing secrets, starting right now. Our journey begins at the legendary Lake Baikal in the heart of Siberia, a place shrouded in mystery and breathtaking beauty. This is not just any lake, it's the deepest and oldest freshwater lake on Earth, holding about 20% of the planet's unfrozen fresh water. In the heart of winter, Baikal transforms into a surreal world. Its eyes become so crystal clear that you can gaze straight down for hundreds of feet, spotting ancient bubbles and even fish swimming below. We drove across the vast frozen surface, feeling the thrill of adventure beneath our wheels, and ventured deep into magical ice caves glowing with blue light. Standing among towering shards of turquoise ice, we felt as if we'd stepped into another world, a frozen kingdom sculpted by nature itself. Lake Baikal is truly a natural wonder, and this is only the beginning of our incredible adventure. Next, we flew by helicopter to Kamchatka, home to over 300 volcanoes, 29 of them active. We soared past Klyuchevskaya Sopka, feeling the heat and witnessing raw, untamed wilderness from above. This is adventure at its most extreme. We landed in the Valley of Geysers, one of the world's largest geyser fields. Steam, bubbling pools, and eruptions surround us. Nature's own water show. Only a few thousand people see this place each year. It's wild, dangerous, and unforgettable. Now, we're at Mount Elbrus, the highest peak in Europe. We took cable cars and snowcats to over 15,000 feet for breathtaking views of the Caucasus. Standing here feels like being on top of the world. Next, we boarded the legendary Trans-Siberian Railway, the world's longest train journey. Our private car became home as we crossed forests, mountains, and endless Siberian wilderness. This journey shows just how massive and diverse Russia truly is. In the heart of Moscow, we set out to explore one of the world's most whimsical landmarks, St. Basil's Cathedral. At first glance, you might think it's a Disney castle brought to life, but this vibrant masterpiece is completely real, and even more magical up close. Each of its 9 domes bursts with color and pattern, no two exactly alike, making the cathedral look like a giant candy sculpture. The legend says its architect was blinded so he could never create anything as beautiful again. Step inside, and you'll find a labyrinth of narrow corridors, hidden chapels, and centuries of Russian history painted on every wall. St. Basil's isn't just a building, it's a symbol of Russia's rich culture, and truly the most iconic site in Moscow. Back in Siberia, we reached the Lena Pillars, towering natural rock formations along the Lena River. Some rise over 300 feet, forming a stone forest millions of years old. Climbing to the top, you see a landscape that makes you feel tiny. On Kizhi Island, we found wooden churches built without a single nail. The Church of the Transfiguration, with 22 domes, is a masterpiece of craftsmanship. Walking here is like stepping back in time. It's a tribute to human ingenuity. In the Altai Mountains, near Mongolia and China, we trekked through pristine wilderness. Turquoise rivers, snow peaks, and ancient cultures blend in this UNESCO site. We crossed rivers on horseback and camped by glacial lakes. This is paradise for nature lovers. Our final stop is the incredible Curonian Spit, a narrow ribbon of sand stretching for nearly 100 kilometers between the Baltic Sea and a tranquil lagoon. This place is like nowhere else on Earth, a true desert on the ocean, where golden dunes meet endless blue water. It's a surreal blend of desert, dense forest, and sparkling ocean, one of the world's most unique and mysterious landscapes. The wind shapes the dunes into ever-changing forms, and the contrast between sand and greenery is simply breathtaking. We climbed the famous Ifa Height, where the panoramic views stretch across both the sea and the lagoon, offering a perspective you can't find anywhere else. Then, we wandered through the mysterious dancing forest, where the pine trees twist and spiral in strange, almost magical shapes, adding to the area's sense of wonder. Watching the sunset over the Curonian Spit, with sand beneath our feet and the ocean breeze in the air, was the perfect end to our unforgettable Russian adventure. That's 10 unbelievable places across Russia, each more mind-blowing than the last. Which one would you visit? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this adventure, hit like and subscribe for more epic journeys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.